Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasurable expansion. And now I want to continue about the view submenu. We have seen this already. And we also have seen specifically the history and some others, some other filters. We are not done yet. I am the filter. So what is in the other? We have seen the leeches, semi-leeches, depending. Drill, in this case I cannot see it, it's not active. But if I go to a different collection, so if I use the final drill, I can see what is in the final drill. And if I open this on the browser, I can add elements on the final drill, change the order, filter some out, the same as before, but on the final drill specifically, not on the outstanding, and so on. You have full power. Then we have what's called the range. Browse element belonging to a selected range. This comes into place the element number. In this case, for me, it's useless. I can be, I don't know, the first 100, let's say. Okay, it won't be 100. Why? Because not all of the element numbers are used. You can have vacant numbers. But this is not useful. Because if you never delete anything, ever delete anything, it's okay then. This number means, the element number, means the chronological order. I created the first one, then the second, so the higher the number, the most recent it is. But since you delete elements, could be because you imported something that is not useful, or you extracted something, then the extract is dummy, or just a flashcard can also be deleted. Now it's not relevant, or you merge this, or whatever. This creates numbers that become vacant, and that is so problematic because Supermemo reuses this. I have a video on that as a reminder. Feel free to check this out for detail. And there are consequences. And one is this, that now it's pointless. If the element number was never reused, it will be useful. But it defeats the entire purpose. So my suggestion is, feel free to ignore completely this. The range is meaningless now because of this. Branch we have seen, depending, so we have seen everything here. And reason, this is more advanced. We have seen the previous. That is the second last opened browser session. But what is this? Learned and reviewed. What's the difference with memorized? Memorized means that it's not dismissed or pending, so it takes part of your learning flow. So it has always an interval, and it will be shown according to the outstanding date, but has the capacity to become outstanding. Then what is learned? View elements subject to the last subset learning. What? And reviewed? View elements subject to the last forced mid-interval review. Oh my God, what is this? Actually, that's what I want to do. I'm going to show this, so you don't think, hey, you have missed some options. No. I'm putting this incrementally. For now, just to let you know that we have the previous that we used, but we have more. But we will cover this incrementally by section. When we cover postponing and auto postponing, we will introduce those to postpone and postpone. When we cover spaced repetition, so we know what is a mid-term repetition, mid-interval. Basically, it's before it is scheduled. So before it gets outstanding, you do the repetition, and so on. So instead of going one by one and see what is this, because we lack the previous knowledge, it hasn't been introduced, we will do it the other way around. So when we tackle the situation that is useful, then we will, it's like with concepts. We introduce concepts in the concept section, but not the concept default priority. Why? Because we needed to wait until introducing priorities. Same thing, but even more complex. So in case you are here to learn all of the views, just to let you know that this will be appearing on the dedicated section or videos. and it's highly, highly advanced. And we have seen everything already. But the linked list and our review, again, even much later than what I said, that will be the second or third last section of the course. And yeah, for now, that's enough. See you in the next video.